Welcome to Mr. English Fast, your safe place to relax, dream, and grow your English while you sleep. Tonight, we invite your mind and body to rest completely. Let your thoughts slow down. Let your breathing become calm, deep, and steady. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes gently. Feel the weight of your body sinking softly into your bed. Every part of you, your shoulders, your back, your legs, releases tension one gentle moment at a time. Take a slow breath in and a soft breath out. Again, in and out. With each breath, your body becomes lighter, calmer, more at ease. Allow your mind to release the thoughts of the day. Let them drift like clouds across a wide, peaceful sky. Imagine the calm spreading from your head to your toes. Your shoulders soften, your chest rises and falls gently. Your legs feel weightless. You are safe. You are supported. You are ready for rest. Now, remind yourself gently. Your mind learns even while you are resting. Every word you hear, every soft affirmation, every gentle thought helps your English grow. You do not need to try hard. You do not need to force anything. Just breathe, relax, and allow your mind to absorb English naturally. Tonight, you begin a journey, a quiet, gentle, magical journey. A journey that will help you grow step by step, word by word. This is your moment, your time to dream, your opportunity to improve. Let the journey begin. In a small, cozy room lived a young learner named Amina. She was gentle, determined, and full of curiosity. Every day, Amina dreamed of speaking English confidently. She imagined traveling to new places, meeting new friends, understanding conversations, and opening doors to opportunities she had always wished for. Amina practiced daily. Sometimes the words were easy. Sometimes they felt heavy, like they were floating just out of reach. Some days she succeeded. Some days she stumbled. But she never gave up. Each day, each attempt, brought her closer to her dream. Before going to bed, she often whispered to herself softly, "I am learning. I am improving. I will speak English confidently." These words became her strength, her motivation, her light in the quiet night. She knew that learning was not only about studying or practicing, but about patience, hope, and believing in herself. Tonight, she lay down, her heart calm and hopeful. She knew tomorrow would bring progress. Every night was a chance to grow. Every day, a chance to improve. Step by step, word by word, Amina was becoming the English speaker she dreamed of being. The night was soft and quiet. The moon shone gently through the window, casting silver light across Amina's room. She closed her eyes slowly, feeling the pillow support her head and the blanket wrap her in warmth. Her breathing became slow and steady, in and out, in and out. With every breath, her body relaxed deeper. Her shoulders softened, her chest rose and fell calmly. Thoughts drifted like clouds across the sky. A soft, gentle voice whispered in her mind, "You are doing well. You are growing. Your English improves even in dreams." English words floated gently in her thoughts. Hello, dream, confident, believe. They sank softly into her memory, without effort, naturally and peacefully. The world outside her window disappeared. There was no noise, no rush, no worry. Only calm, only rest, only learning. Amina felt herself drifting further into sleep. Her body rested, her mind softened, and her heart filled with quiet hope. She was ready to enter the dream world, where learning and confidence awaited her effortlessly. Amina opened her eyes and saw a magical place. The sky glowed softly with golden light. Clouds floated like gentle feathers. Sparkles shimmered in the air, moving slowly, peacefully around her. The wind whispered English words as it brushed past her. Peace, grow, believe, learn. Nearby, a calm river glimmered like silver. Its gentle flow carried soft encouragement. You can learn. You understand. You are improving every day. Birds soared slowly, singing words of hope. Stay calm. Feel confident. Believe in yourself. Amina felt no fear, no doubt, only comfort, calmness, and quiet confidence rising like a soft flame inside her. She closed her eyes and took a deep, peaceful breath. Her mind felt open, like a flower blooming. The dream world welcomed her fully, gently preparing her for the next step. A soft, glowing classroom appeared in front of Amina. The chairs floated like clouds. The books whispered gentle English words. A kind teacher stood at the front, calm and welcoming. Welcome, Amina. You are safe here. You are ready to learn. You are already improving. Letters floated in the air. Confidence. English. Grow. Speak. Believe. Soft phrases filled the classroom. I can learn. I am improving. I am confident. I believe in myself. Amina repeated each phrase gently, feeling her mind absorb every word. The classroom glowed brighter as she practiced, slowly filling her with quiet strength. Amina took a deep breath. She opened her mouth and whispered, I can speak English. Her voice felt natural, confident, and calm. She continued, I am learning every day. I am becoming confident. English is part of me now. Every word floated in the dream world like shining stars. Mistakes didn't exist. Doubt didn't exist. Only growth and hope. She whispered again, I am ready to learn more. I am ready to improve. I am ready to speak with confidence. The teacher spoke softly. Learning takes courage. Every small effort brings you closer to your dream. Mistakes are steps forward. Confidence grows one step at a time. Amina repeated softly, I trust my journey. I am learning. I am growing. I believe in myself. She felt calm, strong, and ready. Her English voice was awakening. The dream faded into soft morning light. Amina's body rested peacefully. Her mind was calm and clear. She opened her eyes. Sunlight touched the room. She whispered, Today, I will learn more. I can do this. She picked up her notebook, ready to practice. Each night of rest strengthened her mind. Step by step, day by day, she was becoming the English speaker she dreamed to be. Now, dear listener, repeat softly, I can learn English. I am improving every day. My English grows stronger. I am confident. I believe in myself. I enjoy learning new words. Every day, I become a better English speaker. Let these words sink deeply into your mind. Your rest helps you grow. Your dreams guide your learning. Take a deep, gentle breath. In and out. Sleep peacefully. Dream of learning, speaking, and success. Let your mind carry every word, every phrase, every affirmation. Thank you for joining Mr. English Fast tonight. If you enjoyed this journey, please like this video and subscribe for more magical bedtime English stories. Your support helps us create more gentle, effective learning experiences. Rest now, dream big. Let your English grow naturally every day. Tomorrow is another step forward. You are safe. You are capable. You are growing. Good night. Dear listener, if you enjoyed this story, please like this video. Your support helps us create more peaceful English learning journeys. To join every magical story and continue improving your English naturally while sleeping, subscribe to Mr. English Fast and turn on the bell icon. If you feel inspired, leave a comment sharing your experience or favorite affirmation. And if you know someone who could benefit from calm, gentle learning, share this video with them. Rest now, dream deeply, and remember, every night your English grows.